we had a parent that loves our microbiota society we have on campus and works for Ikea and thought there could be a partnership in the making, and so reached out to me and put me in touch with the community relations specialist at Orlando Ikea. And then from that point we decided to talk about what are some of the needs we have on campus. So we talked about a clothing pantry for our students and families, and from that point we really went into what's possible in the design phase for what we have now created as far as Stenstrom styles.
So I love projects like this. It allows us to get closer to the residents and closer to the students here at Stenstrom. And when I heard about the Micro Society, I knew Ikea Orlando had to get involved in some way, somehow. So being a part of the Stenstrom styles and putting together that PAX wardrobe closet system for them, it's really exciting, and we're really honored to be a part of this project.
I am Mila Jade Barrios, and I'm going into 5th grade. I think that it's making more room for everything, so I think it's going to help a lot of kids that don't have much, and I think the kids who don't have much are going to be really happy that people are donating. I actually can't explain it because how happy I am is like out of this world.